Hello students, in this video we are going to understand what is area of sector and what is the perimeter of sector. Means you have a formulas of that the formulas are area of sector is this one when your theta is in degrees, and when your theta is in radians, this is the formula for the area of sector. In the same way, this is the perimeter of the sector. When you have a length, this L is a arc length. So let's understand how to derive these formulas. There is no need to memorize these formulas. It is very simple to derive these formulas with the help of this figure. So let us suppose we have this circle, and the radius of the circle is given, that is a 10 units. So let's suppose this is R and this is a 10, and this is R, this is also a 10. Okay, and the central angle is 30 degrees. So this theta is given, that is 30 degrees. So initially we will understand when our theta is in degrees. So students, we know that this is a complete circle, and this complete circles make a revolution of 360 degree. Okay, so with the help of unitary method, we can easily derive these formulas. So we have a theta angle, which is in this case 30 degree, divided by 360. Means I am taking a small angle, this 30 degree, out of the complete angle, which is 360. And theta represents this area of the sector, which is OAB. Means you are going to find out this area of OAB, which is a sector in this case, divided by, and 360 represents the area of the circle. Okay, so that is pi r square. So students, this is the way to derive this formula. There is no need to memorize. So now just put the values. So we have to find out the area. So theta in this case is 30. So 30 divided by 360, and area you have to find out, and this is pi into, we have a radius 10 into square. So now area is, so you can cross here, and 3 1 2. So area would be a 1 by 12 into pi into 10 into 10. So it could be a 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, again 2 3s are 6, and 2 5s are 10. So we have a 25 pi by 3, which is equal to 26.16 units square. So units can be any, it can be a centimeter square, let us suppose. So it is the answer. Isn't that so much easy? There is no need to remember these formulas. Just you put the unitary method on your circle, whatever the circle you have, and you can easily got the area. So this is the case when we have an angle in degrees. Now if I have angle in radians, it is again very easy. So let us suppose we have a theta angle which is given, it is in this case 30 degree. So divided by, instead of 360 degree, I am having a 2 pi, because in radians we have used pi instead of degrees. So 2 pi is equal to 360, we know that. So is equal to area of the sector divided by, and 2 pi represents the complete area, which is area of the circle. So that is pi r square. Isn't that easy? You can cross pi and pi over here. So it will be left with half into theta into r square. So area of the sector. Isn't that easy? Now just put the values over here, but must remember that now theta is not 30, theta is pi by 6, because in radians 30 is pi by 6. While putting the values, so this is the way to find out the area of the sector, whether my angle is in degrees, whether my angle is in radians. So again I am asking, there is no need to memorize the formulas. You can derive your own formulas with the help of these figures. Now come to the perimeter of the sector. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is like this. You can see this, we have a radius and arc of the length, which is AB. Okay, so perimeter is radius, again radius, now arc of the length, which is AB in this case. So let us suppose my AB is L. So this is 2R plus L. Now you can see this is my formula, and I have calculate here. So there is no need to remember the formula of the perimeter of the sector, you can do in this way. And what is L? L is, you know, that arc of the length. If you are not aware about that, how to derive the formula for the arc of the length, I have the video of that. Please go to that video, and the link of that video is shown on the right side of your this screen. Okay, now just put the values over here. So that is 2r plus L is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now just put the values over here. So let's calculate it. So cross. So 3 ones are 12. Now again we have a 2 6 12, and again 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10. So when we have calculated it, then we got answer as 25.23 unit. Now this is the value when you have a theta in degrees. Now what about the radians? Now just put the value here. Instead of 360, put the 2 pi. So our formula would be a, so 2 pi cross. Okay, so we are left with 2r plus theta r. So this is our formula, and just by putting the values you will got the answer as 25.23. But remember, theta is not a 30 now, it is pi by 6. So this is a way to find out the area of sector and perimeter of sector. Use the unitary method instead of memorize the formulas over there, because you have a lot of formulas to memorize. So there is no need to memorize the formulas. Students, if you like this video, please comment in the comment section. If you have any query with related to this video, you can also comment in the comment section. So thank you everyone.